Yo, I'm building up my workflow, stacking up my code, but I ain't typing nothing. I just drop a node. Each one's a task, like sending a blast or pushing the slack when a new form's passed.
A little Lego block in a world so wide. Each node's got a job that don't run or hide. Send that email, scrape that site, call that API in the middle of the night.
Pardon me, but I have some wonderful N8N templates I would love to give to you for free. Just go to mikey.ai. The word node has a rich history that stretches across science, technology, and language, long before it ever appeared in automation tools like N8N. The term node comes from the Latin word nodus, meaning knot. It originally referred to physical knots or joints, places where things were tied or connected. Over time, that idea of a connection point carried into various fields. In astronomy, a node is the point where an orbit crosses a reference plane, like where the moon's path intersects the Earth's orbit. These ascending and descending nodes were crucial for calculating eclipses. This usage goes back to the Middle Ages. In biology, a node is where a leaf or branch grows from a plant stem, a physical point of growth and branching, mirroring the concept of connection and divergence. In mathematics and graph theory, which emerged in the 18th and 19th centuries, a node is a vertex, a connection point in a network of edges. This became the foundation for understanding everything from computer networks to social graphs to decision trees. By the 20th century, the term node exploded in computer science. In networks, a node is any device connected, like a router, computer, or server. In blockchain, a node stores and verifies a copy of the ledger. In data structures, a node is part of trees and linked lists containing data and a pointer to another node. This paved the way for modern platforms like N8N, where a node is a modular action or function inside a larger process, still staying true to its root meaning. A connection point where something important happens. So from knot tying and star tracking to data routing and AI talking, the word node has always meant the place where paths meet, decisions are made, or actions begin. In other words, a node isn't just a part, it's the point of power. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to go to mikey.ai to get your free N8N workflows today.